Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel again. So here in this video episode number 7 of MS Word, I'm going to teach you about the design tool. What are the options available for you guys in this design tool tab. So here you can see here are different themes available for you guys, by which you can select different themes. There are many different multiple themes for your project, and you can select any one theme according to your choice and whatever you want to make for your project. And here are different styles of these themes available for you, so that you can change it according to yourselves. You can see it is changing one by one, so the text is changing. So here are different styles available for you guys. So here are different colors. You can see different color options available from MS Word and different styles related to that color. You can change it according to that. See, the text is changing. And here's a font option where you can select the font of your project. So here are many multiple options of font you can see. So now here paragraph spacing. So for paragraph spacing we have to select the different paragraphs, and then we can space them accordingly. See, you can see the paragraph spacing is being increased and decreased accordingly. So you can select it by your own, or you can use any kind of effect in these. Right now here are no effect is working properly because I didn't select the whole text. So you can just select it by your own. And here is a very good option, watermark. So here you can see confidential or confidential 2. Here are different types of watermark you can use in a background. So if I want to use this do not copy, so you can see it is already showing in background of this Word document. You can see, or you can select any kind of watermark by your own. You can just remove this watermark from the remove option, and you can just use the image or many more things from your own. Customize, you can just custom the watermark, and you can use picture as well. So I'll select a picture. Okay, let me see, select picture, try again, work offline. You can select any picture from your document or any picture if available for you guys. Here is an image, I can insert it. So here's the image and I can click OK. So you can see the image is showing background in this. And here's a page color option, which is very good option for you guys. I have to unselect this, and so here's option for you guys, so that you can change the color of this page and text would be like this. So I changed the style of this, that is why it is showing some different type of text, unselected color. So you can choose the page borders accordingly. Here are many type of borders available for you, 3D borders or 2D borders, or you can change the lines of these borders. Here you can see you can customize the borders according to your need. And here is the automatic color changing of borders. You can change the color of border, outline border, you can change it. Many different options according to this. You can select this one also. You can click OK and see the border is being changed. So here are many different options related to border or color of the border. You can change again. So I'll select it to black and then OK. So here you can see the border of this color is being changed again. So this is the option what you can use in design tab tool. And here's a layout section where you can just use the layout option, where if I select the text from here, so here you can see if I select the text, so you can select margin option, you can say wide option, wide margin. You can see the text is totally being shift it to just compressed or some kind of thing you can see, or you can orientation use portrait or landscape. You can just change the word page into a landscape option, which is very good read view option you can say. Or you can change the size according to your need. You can set A4 size paper for your document or any kind of printout if you want, or you can choose the sections of this so that you can see the that much text what I select in this. The text I select in this, it divided into 3 different sections or 3 different columns or category you can see. Or you can just use this option to break the page mark where the page is being break, and here's a line number. You can see you can arrange the text into these reset option or reset line, reset each section are different option and their working are different. You can see first I have to change the column in 1, and then you can see how line number works. We start with each page so that how much text is being selected, it is automatically giving the line number accordingly. You can see every page is having the line number. Here you can see in the left side of this, and the hyphenation here, it's automatically hyphenation option you can use according to your need. If you want it, you can align the text, align the page margin here using these options. So this is all about the design and layout tool you can use in your Word document or major project. So I'll teach you more different remaining tools of Word in next episode or next video. So this much for today's video. So hope you guys understand this. Thank you everyone. If you would like this video, please comment to the video, and I would appreciate your feedback in comment section below. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative video, and share this to your friends so that thank you viewers for watching this video.